Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at the Moringa that we have growing on the property. Now, this location is pretty heavily guarded with, overgrowth and a wall and whatnot. So the freezes, when they came, don't seem to have affected these Moringa very much at all. I think that's pretty cool. This one seems to have been affected, but this should be evidence and proof to anyone who's living in Florida that Moringa can survive through some freezes. We had two back-to-back, and the effects on these Moringa were minimal. Anyhow, I'll keep you folks updated on the progress of these Moringa. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.